Investing. It might sound like something only financial experts do, but it's essential for everyone. Why? Because investing is about growing your money over time. It's about taking control of your financial future and building a safety net. Think of it like planting a seed. You put a little something in the ground, nurture it, and over time it grows into something much bigger. That's the magic of compound growth, a key principle in investing. Your money earns money, and then that money earns even more. The earlier you start, the better. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to investing. Even small amounts invested consistently can make a huge difference in the long run. So don't wait. Take that first step and watch your financial future blossom. Before you dive headfirst into the world of investing, it's crucial to have a clear destination in mind. What are your financial aspirations? What are you hoping to achieve through investing? Are you saving for a down payment on your dream home? Planning for a comfortable retirement? Or maybe you're dreaming of early financial independence? Whatever your goals, write them down and make them specific. Once you have your goals, prioritize them. Some goals, like retirement, are decades away. Others, like a new car, might be just around the corner. This will help you determine how long you need to invest and how much risk you can afford to take. Remember, your investment goals are personal. What works for your neighbor might not work for you. So take the time to define what matters most to you and let that guide your investment journey. Now that you know where you're headed, it's time to choose the right vehicle to get you there. The world of investing offers a variety of options, each with its own strengths and considerations. Think of it like choosing a car. A sporty convertible might be fun, but it's not practical for a family of 5. Similarly, different investment vehicles cater to different needs and risk appetites. For long-term goals like retirement, consider tax-advantaged accounts like 401(k)s or individual retirement accounts, IRAs. These accounts offer tax benefits that can significantly boost your savings over time. For more immediate goals or a hands-on approach, brokerage accounts offer flexibility. These accounts allow you to buy and sell a wide range of investments, like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Investing isn't about throwing all your money into the market and hoping for the best. It's about investing wisely and within your means. So before you start picking stocks, it's crucial to determine how much you can realistically invest. Start by examining your budget. Track your income and expenses to identify areas where you can potentially save more. Even small adjustments to your spending habits can free up extra cash for investing. Remember, investing should never come at the expense of your essential needs or financial well-being. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt, like credit cards, before investing significant sums. The key is to find a balance that allows you to invest consistently without feeling financially strained. Start small if needed, and gradually increase your contributions as your income grows. Section 5. The Risk-Reward Tightrope. Understanding your risk tolerance. Investing always involves some level of risk. The higher the potential return, the higher the risk. Understanding your risk tolerance, how comfortable you are with the possibility of losing money, is crucial. Imagine a roller coaster. Some people love the adrenaline rush of a steep drop, while others prefer a more gentle ride. Similarly, some investors are comfortable with high-risk, high-reward investments, while others prefer a more conservative approach. Several factors influence your risk tolerance, including your age, financial situation, and investment goals. Younger investors with a longer time horizon can typically afford to take on more risk. There's no right or wrong answer when it comes to risk tolerance. The important thing is to be honest with yourself about your comfort level and choose investments that align with your risk profile. Section 6. Short-term versus long-term. Finding your investing style. Just like fashion, investing has different styles. Are you someone who enjoys following the latest trends and making quick moves? Or do you prefer a more timeless buy-and-hold approach? Short-term investing, or trading, involves frequent buying and selling to capitalize on short-term market fluctuations. It requires time, dedication, and a high risk tolerance. Long-term investing, on the other hand, focuses on holding investments for extended periods, often years or even decades. It's a more passive approach that aligns well with long-term goals like retirement. Consider your personality, lifestyle, and investment goals when choosing an investing style. If you thrive on excitement and enjoy analyzing market trends, short-term trading might suit you. If you prefer a more hands-off approach, long-term investing could be a better fit. Section 7. Building your dream portfolio. Diversifying your investments. You've set your goals, chosen your vehicles, and defined your risk tolerance. Now it's time to build your investment portfolio, a diversified collection of assets designed to help you reach your financial aspirations. Think of your portfolio like a delicious, well-balanced meal. You wouldn't want to eat only one type of food, right? Similarly, a diversified portfolio includes a mix of different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Diversification is key to managing risk. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you reduce the impact of any single investment performing poorly. It's like having a safety net for your money. Start by determining your target asset allocation, the percentage of your portfolio you want to allocate to each asset class. Your asset allocation should align with your risk tolerance and time horizon. Section 8. Staying the course, monitoring and rebalancing your portfolio. Congratulations! You've embarked on your investing journey and built a diversified portfolio. But your work isn't done yet. Investing is an ongoing process that requires regular monitoring and adjustments. Think of your portfolio like a garden. Even with careful planning, weeds can pop up, and plants might need pruning. Similarly, market fluctuations can cause your portfolio to drift from its intended allocation. Regularly review your portfolio's performance and make adjustments as needed. This might involve selling some investments that have performed well and buying more of those that have lagged behind. This process is called rebalancing. It's natural to feel tempted to make impulsive decisions during periods of market volatility. However, it's crucial to stay calm and stick to your long-term investment plan. Remember, time is your ally in the world of investing. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and watch your financial future flourish.